Alright, hey folks, welcome back. I got some projects planned, of course. I have the piece of wood in the truck right now. As a matter of fact, it's the piece of cedar sapwood to make a cap, maybe. But, unfortunately, the shop is really getting out of control to the point where I can hardly find a thing, and it's probably becoming less than safe. So we're going to take care of that first. Well, that was not fun at all. So, just a little bit of a tidy up, as they say. As you can see, the garage is still a mess in general, but the actual workspace is pretty good. I really need to make more places to hang stuff. So, wow. I don't even know if I have it in me to do anything now. Let's see what we got going on here at the lake. There it is. So this is a piece of sapwood. It's split off from the same piece. There's still a tiniest bit of purple here that I'm sure will turn away. I did manage to glue my tool rest. I think they also call it a banjo. I don't know if that's what that means, but I managed to break it free. But for those of you that saw me letting that pen dry in the tool rest, if you're wondering if that was a bad idea, it was. So got it all broke free now. I'm gonna line this bad boy up and see if we can't turn a little bit of a shape on it, something that's cylindrical, maybe even the shape of a pen cap. Alright, so take a look at where we are so far. I've got a CA finish on here. It's a very rough CA finish. This is really a practice deal. I've drilled it out with 2 different drill bits. I think I'm up to a 1/4 inch. I'm not sure. No, it's a 7/32. You know, I'm beginning to think I should rename my workshop. Instead of Jason's workshop, it should be the 7/32 workshop. Comment below on that one. So, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the last video. 7/32. All right, so we got a couple of things here to choose from, and I do have a Forstner bit. It's not a very good size Forstner bit. What I really need, though, is my caliper. And we'll get a quick measurement here. I'm just going to go ahead and zero this out. Sorry, I'm bringing it in frame here for you. Zero, measure. It's at 0.4. And I'm going to go, we're at 11.77 millimeters. .63 millimeters. So okay, so 11.7 millimeters. Now, I have here a Forstner that's a 1/2 inch, and it's definitely too big from what I can see. Yeah, it's definitely too big. However, I don't think my other Forstner bits are going to do me any good either. So, we have a couple options here. None of them are very good. One of them is to scrape it out. So I think I'm going to try we're going to drill it one more time and then maybe see how it goes with the scraper, and then I don't know. We'll see what happens. This is an experiment, right? So I don't know if you guys are really paying attention to this, but another thing I wanted to do before I get too out of control here is measure this. And we're at 59 millimeters. Just gonna make a little flag here for 59 millimeters. All right, I'm gonna throw this in the Jacobs chuck. Ooh, kind of made a mess of that, but that's all right. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right, so it sort of fits, and it definitely sort of doesn't, but it's a good start. So from here, let's see, this little guy does fit. So it's probably something that's crazy, but basically what I'm going to do is hollow this thing out very carefully. And we'll see what happens. So that was exciting. Of course, being that this is a pen video, I cracked it. But, you know, that's how you learn. Unfortunately, I keep learning the hard way, the same things over and over again. So really, I guess I'm not really learning anything. I'm just continuing to do the same things the wrong way. I just keep forcing everything, thinking it's going to be all right. But in reality, we're talking about wood, and you know, I'm basically just splitting this stuff like firewood in the end. So I'm just going to cut this off. And from here, I'll give it a little sanding. Okay, so I got that sanded, and I'm just gonna throw a little bit of CA on it. I really got to get that solvent, because I always end up with just a little bit on my fingers, but let me see here. Yeah, not quite getting it. But anyways, there it is. And I took the opportunity to turn this down the way I really wanted it. Unfortunately, that's what split it, because I couldn't get it the way I wanted. Couldn't get it to stop moving. I should have taped it right off the get-go. I don't know what I was thinking. But for better or worse, there it is. I was going to taper this section here to kind of swoop in a little bit more and make it prettier, but that didn't. Man. So yeah, there it is. I have a cap for my pen. I know this is red, that's white, it doesn't match. It didn't go up over as much as I wanted it to. I had a lot of trouble getting that diameter right. Got to work something out for that in the future. It's not too bad. One of the things I thought about doing is putting a flat spot and then attaching a clip so that I could have it not roll off the desk. Yeah, look for the stills. I'll be sure to show you the crack, and hopefully one of these days we can get something done without breaking it. Alright, if it's your first time, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know about that 730 seconds workshop, and we'll see you next time.